Attending workshops provides a practical and interactive learning experience, allowing participants to engage in hands-on activities, ask questions and receive feedbacks from instructors and peers. Workshops also offers a unique opportunities to network and build relationship with others in your field, which can lead to future collaborations and opportunities. By attending workshops, individuals can stay up to date with the latest trends and advancement in their industry, keeping their skills and knowledge relevant and competitive in the job market. Additionally, workshops can be a great source of inspiration and motivation, as they often feature successful individuals who share their stories and strategies for success. Overall, attending workshops can be a valuable investment in oneself, providing individuals tools and knowledge they need to achieve their personal and professional goals.